Lightscan Stock Screener and Scanner feature. In this tutorial, we will demonstrate how to open and use the Lightscan feature on the Lightspeed Trader platform. The Lightscan feature is only added by request. If you would like the feature added, please email service@linebrokerage.com. Once logged into the platform, go to New and then Lightscan. Once the Lightscan window is open, you will see real-time streaming data. Right-click on the window and go to Settings. From here, you can customize the scanner to stock setting highs or lows, buy and sell imbalances, by markets, and more. You can also add filters that will exclude by last price, symbol, volume, price range, net change, and net percentage change. We are going to set this scan to only show stocks that are up 1% or more on the day. Note, when we click on the percentage change column, it sorts the results by percentage change. You can also change the columns by right-clicking on the window and selecting Change Columns. Here we are going to add the column Gap and Percent Gap. If you run this scan right after the open, you can find stocks that are up 1% or more and the gap that the stock had from the previous day's close. Many traders find Lightscan very useful in finding potential trading opportunities. If you would like the feature added to your Lightspeed Trader platform, please email service@linebrokerage.com. For other trading tutorials or education videos, check out our website and YouTube channel.